Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here's 2 steps for wider vocals. Now before we begin, we need to understand how stereo works. The difference between the left and the right speaker is what makes it stereo. If you duplicate a track, you'll have 2 identical tracks. If you pan them hard left and hard right, nothing is going to happen unless we make a slight delay. In this example, we will use the notch function. 1 to the left and 1 to the right. Now we have stereo vocals to work with. Another example, using only the lead vocal, is a subtle but pretty powerful trick to make the lead vocal just a bit wider. Select your lead vocal and send some signal to a bus channel. On the bus channel, insert a chorus effect. I'm using Roland Dimension D from Universal Audio. I use it all the time on rap vocals and some other mono tracks. Alright guys, have a good one and happy mixing.